Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install Ansible on Rocky Linux 8.6. Ansible is a simple and easy to use server management tool that is used to operate and administer multiple servers from a central computer through SSH. Ansible does not need any configuration on the server side like Chef or Puppet.
First, check the installed version of OS using cat command. This is Rocky Linux 8.6. First, we need to update DNF repo file cache. After updating this, we need to enable the Apple repository so that we need to install the Apple release package. Press Y and hit enter to continue. After installing the Apple repo package, again we need to run the DNF package repo cache. After completing this step, we need to install the Ansible. Press Y and hit enter to continue. The installation is completed. Now check the Ansible version. The installed version of Ansible is 2.12. By this, the installation of Ansible on Rocky Linux 8.6 is completed.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.